This is how to add a class to Turnitin. You log yourself on, you click the add class button there, and then you're going to fill in the data. It's a standard class. You put your class name in here. You'll notice I always put in the graduation year. If it's an IB class, it's obviously IB underwater basket weaving. I put it in as the graduation year just to differentiate it, and it means that I can leave the same class active for the 2 years of the course. The enrollment key is kind of like the password to the class, so I always put something easy to remember. There we go. So the students are not likely to make a mistake with it. That's the key thing. These two fields are really just to collect data for the database and turn it inside. So let's see, give relatively accurate information. And then the last thing to notice is the close date of everything. So the start date is when you've created the class, and when you put the end date, you've got to think ahead a little bit. So if this is IB class that finishes next year, then I'm going to want it to finish, the class will close in 2019 in about June, I think. That would be the graduation time, so I'll put it 1st of June 2019. Okay, once you're done there, hit submit, and you have created your class. And you can see as soon as I've created the class, I get this information. This is my class ID number. So that's what I've got to give the kids for them to join. And it reminds me what I've set as my enrollment key, which I also have to give the kids. So if I'm doing this live in front of the class, what I'll do is I'll just write that up on the board and then tell the students that they need to join that there. So that's how to create a class. And there you can see my class is created and active.